I love you.
I've got a headache.
You do. I'm sorry.
Oh. It's like someone's screaming in my ear. It's really high pitched.
Get up on that limb.
I'm sorry.
Get up on that limb.
Oh.
Get up on that limb.
What are you doing?
Releasing the pressure from your nose.
Get up on that limb.
I think the problem is my nose.
Get up on that limb.
Do this too.
I heard when you have a headache, you push the balls of your feet.
Get up on that limb.
But I think it's the problem is my
Get up on
nose
that limb.
because
Get up on that
I was in the pool without my goggles and I closed my eyes and I went underwater in the lazy river, and you know that opening? I bumped into the so here's the opening, and I went in and I bumped on the wall.
Ow.
Part of the thing right here.
I'm sorry.
And who you are, we'd like to see.